Welcome back. So today I'm going to talk about what's known as a self-directed IRA. A self-directed IRA is a way to use your retirement money to invest in real estate. You need to have your money into what's called a custodian who allows these so-called alternative investments. And then when you have that, you can then use it to invest in fix and flips, apartment buildings, nodes, anything and everything. Super flexible. But you have to remember that if you invest through a self-directed IRA, you can't have any direct benefit of it until you reach, I think, 59 and a half. So you can't buy a rental property and with your self-directed IRA and live in one of the units or get immediate cash flow out of it. You can't actually, and you can't do your work on it either. So if you buy something, you want to fix it up, you can't use your own labor for it because that's a direct benefit of it. So your self-directed IRA must be managed by a custodian that allows investment in alternatives investments such as real estate. You know, Vanguards and Fidelities and other large brokerage firms don't allow that. So you need to go out and find somebody a company out there that you can transfer your money into and do a rollover and then do these types of investments. You also need to understand their fee structure because they don't get the direct benefit of charging fee or a percentage of your portfolio like Vanguard may do. So understand what their fees are and make sure you choose one that matches your goals in your investments. Another type of self-directed retirement fund is what's called a solo 401k. So that's for self-employed individuals without employees. So if you are out there making a 1099 income because you're self-employed, you can then set up what's called solo 401k. The contribution limits are higher than an IRA, and it gives you also, if you set up what's called a checkbook account, you can get a lot of control over it in the sense of writing checks to do your rehab or buy your properties and stuff like that. You don't have to go through and get approval from your custodian. So that's another powerful tool. And really what I wanted to get into too is this idea of a solo or these IRAs are really an untapped market. There are really trillions of dollars invested in IRAs sitting in stocks and bonds and mutual funds and everything else. So if you are an investor or a syndicator, it makes sense to go out there and partner with people that have money in their IRAs and explain to them how they can roll it into a self-directed IRA and invest in your deal. You know, maybe your uncle has the money in his IRA and want to roll over to a self-directed IRA so you can invest in your syndication deal. Or your friend has some money, he's getting close to retirement and he wants those stable returns that a syndication could provide versus the ups and downs of the stock market. So it's a huge untapped market and you need to educate your investors on the potential of using those for investing in new deals. As always, you can connect with me on a free call, opendoorscapital.com/call, and be happy to talk to you about anything real estate related. And next week, we're going to go into coaching and mentorship. So what does it mean to have a coach? What is a mentor? And how do you seek out these individuals?